Welcome back. Now we'll see the addition of fractions. How to do addition of fractions? Let's see here. You know what are like fractions, right? What are like fractions, ma? The denominators are same. All denominators are equal. Okay. So those are called like fractions. So addition of like fractions. How to do? Let's see. 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Okay, how to do? 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 will gives you 1 plus 3 by. Here 2 times we have denominators 2. So let's take only one time denominator 2 and add 1 and 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 by 2. Okay. Another example. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Here 2 times 5 is repeating, write only one time. Now write the numerators. 3 plus 1 gives you 4 by 5. Okay. Now let's see another. 2 by 6 plus 2 by 6, or take it as 3 here. 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6. How much? Now these are, first check it whether these are like fractions or not. Now both are having same denominators. So write this 6 only one time and add the numerators. 2 plus 3. Now is how much? 5 by 6. Okay. In addition of fractions, first we need to check whether the denominators are in like fractions or not. Now these are in like fractions, so directly we have taken 5 as denominator here and directly added the numerators. Remember here we should not add the denominators here. We should add only numerators. Okay. Only numerators we should add, and here 5 is the denominator, right? 5 denominators are repeating 2 times here in first fraction and second fraction. Write only one time for as a denominator here. Take it only one time here. Then add only numerators. Okay. Remember children, this is very important. If we have unlike fractions means denominators are different. All denominators are different. Let's see. 2 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Now see this. 4 denominators are first fraction is 4 and the second fraction denominator is 3. So these two fractions are different as the denominators are different. So these are unlike fractions. Now how to do for this addition? So see here 4 and 3 you need to take LCM is one method. By doing LCM we should find the addition, and another method is directly multiplying with opposite. Now see first fraction is 2 by 4. Now directly multiply with the denominator of the second fraction. What is the denominator of second fraction? Fraction is 3. Now multiply and divide with 3. 3 2s are 6. 4 3s are 12. Now 1 by 3 into, now opposite the first fraction's denominator is 4. So 4 by 4. 1s are 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Now I made the first fraction and second fraction denominators same. Now add it now. 6 by 12 plus 4 by 12. Now see here I have made the fractions, unlike fractions into like fractions because denominators are same here. Now do as usual how we done before. Taking two denominators only one time here. 6 plus 4, adding the numerators. 6 plus 4 is 10 by 12. Got it, children? Addition of unlike fractions. Now you got the answer here, 10 by 12. Further, this can be simplified, children. Yes, it can be simplified to the lowest terms. How it is simplified? Now 10 by 12. Divide this numerator and denominator with the same number, that in which 10 and 12 are divisible. Okay, now I am taking here 2 table and denominator also I am dividing with 2. So in 2 table 10 how many times? How many times, children? 2 table 10 goes 5 times and 12 goes in 2 table how many times? 6 times. So 5 by 6 is the lowest term of 10 by 12. Okay. Hope you understood the addition of fractions. Now let's see subtraction of fractions. In subtraction of fractions, if the fractions are like fractions, how to do? Let's see. Now I am taking 1 by 2 plus, subtraction no, minus sign and 1 by 2. Now both are equal. Now half minus half is 0. Okay. 2 minus 2, 0. Otherwise, how directly I am writing here 0, no? How we got? Let's see. These two are like fractions. Now 2 times denominator 2 is repeating. So let's take only 1 time and write 1 minus 1. Directly subtract numerators because denominators are same. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 by 2 is all 0. Okay. Got it? Let's see another number. 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7. How we will subtract this one? Now both are like fractions. So take only 1 time. 3 minus 2. How much? 1 by 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 by 7. The fraction is 1 by 7. Subtraction of 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7 is, see here, so denominators are same. So directly subtract the numerators. Taking denominator once and subtract the numerators. 1 by 7 I got for this sum. Okay. Let's see if the denominators are different, how we will do the subtraction. Now see here denominators are different. Means these are unlike fractions. Then denominators will be different. Okay. Now let's do this subtraction of 3 by 7 minus 2 by 5. So are they like fractions, children? No, they are not like fractions. So we need to make them into, we have to change them into like fractions. What we should do now? First take the first fraction 3 by 5. Now 3 by 5 make it equivalent fraction, equivalent like fraction. Otherwise what did I say? Divide and multiply with the denominator of the second fraction. Okay. Now I am multiplying the numerator with 5 and also denominator I am multiplying, means 5 by 5. Means 5 multiplying with 3 and 5 multiplying with denominator 7. Now how much? 5 3 is 15. 7 5 is 35. Now same process should be done for second fraction 2 by 5. And what is the denominator of first fraction? Is 7. 7 by 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 5 are 35. Okay. Now we have changed the first fraction and second fraction into like fraction. What is the value of 3 by 7? Is 15 by 35. Then what is the value of 2 by 5? Is 14 by 35. Okay. Now we made these fractions into like fractions. Now directly subtract the numerators and take the denominators only once. So you will get here 1 by 35. 15 minus 14 is 1. Denominator as it is, the answer will be 1 by 35. Hope you all understood the addition and subtraction of fractions. And if you have any doubts, please drop a comment in the comment box. Thank you.